An item we brought on just this past winter is the 4-piece gem tool set holders. We like to call them Gripsters. It is item number 88396. Comes in this nice wood box. And inside you've got a range of gripping tools. They are all engraved towards the top of the handles with how many prongs are located or with that tool. The 2 is going to be 2 prongs, 3 prongs, 4 and 5 prong tools. So the 2 prong opens up. People find different purposes for different prongs. This 2 prong one is kind of unique, but there will be applications where you'll find it useful in your hobby. The 3 prong tool with 3 wires up inside. These tools can pick up nuts, washers, grip anything if you want to start a nut. That's it, picking up a hex-shaped nut. We have a 4-prong tool. We have the 5-prong tool. 5 prongs. And I'll show you picking up that washer right here. Easily captures it. So between the 2, 3, 4, and 5 prong tool, you'll have the pickup tool that works best for you. And all 4 tools come in this nice wooden box, and it's got a magnetic closure on it. So it's gonna stay shut. Item number 88396.